Okay, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Wild Hot Rod Weekend, Dead Man's Curve Wild Hot Rod Weekend. We're speaking with Karl mit und K, checking out his Messerschmitt. Now his Messerschmitt, he builds German cars. Okay, tell us about the Messerschmitt so this way people who don't know what they're looking at know what it is.
Okay, first of all, this is a 1955 Messerschmitt
Right.
body. The nose and the tail were the only thing I started with, and I built a complete car from the body to frame, the engine, the suspension, the wheels, the interior. Every part on the car you see I built and put together.
Okay, did you build it from scratch or from other
scratch.
parts? Oh my gosh, so it's totally re-engineered.
The only parts that were original was the nose section and the tail section, which I modified also.
Uh-huh.
It has an electronic dashboard in it. It reads out on your helmet like a fighter pilot.
Right.
It's got disc brakes in the front, mag wheels all around. It's heavily modified for today's roads.
Okay.
And it has a removable racing hump.
Right.
This moves backwards and a passenger can sit in here. The original,
Oh, okay.
The original race car had a gas tank in the back. I didn't want that.
Right.
It's one of 12 cars that I had. I have about 8 left now, one of every model. And I'm also building the father of the Messerschmitt right now, the Flitzer.
Flitzer. Well, I'll tell you what, that's a story into itself. I'd love to come out to the shop, check it out. Now, what are you powering this with?
This is powered with a newer quad motor, a 350cc Yamaha quad motor, 6 speeds forward with reverse in the case. So
Jeez.
it's conventional and you can use it every day, and the parts are available.
That's great. Now, do you race it?
Not so-called racing, historic racing, that's all. Just
Well,
for
yeah,
time.
of course.
Just for time.
Yeah.
I was recently at the hill climb in Hershey with it, and for insurance reasons they wouldn't let me go up the hill. But
I was wondering why I didn't see you.
yeah, so other than that, it's a lot of fun, and I built it in 2007, so it's fairly old right now.
This is fantastic. Let's take a look, see at your dash.
Well, I'll open it up for you.
Oh,
See
okay,
how
very
you get
good.
into it.
Yes. Because the Messies are really interesting. So originally they had the bubble.
Yes.
And then the convertible, of course.
Yes, and they also had a lifting section like this, but it opened from down here.
Right.
This section came with this, but I left the section attached.
Ah,
And
okay.
you can see the steering is a tiller. It's got adjustable. See, it's got all newer controls on it. It has a data acquisition dashboard in it.
That's great. Oh my gosh.
Conventional pedals.
Yeah, because originally now this was hand control.
Yeah. And it's got turn signals in the mirrors. I installed turn signals in the mirrors.
Oh, very good. I'm sure.
Face to the back.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is that red? The
That's
ejector
the
seat?
reverser.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's the reverser.
Too cool. Jeez.
And like I said, there's 2 seats in it.
Right.
So this hump will pick up and move backwards.
Uh-huh. You've got the access plates from back there?
And in the back is the motor. Would you
Okay.
like to see the motor or no?
Yes, please.
I have to put this down.
Okay, yes. Thank you. I love the prop ride, just to make sure you don't get bopped in the head. Now, the original was fiberglass or steel?
All the cars were steel, and this is all steel too.
Okay.
So all
Good
handmade
fabrication.
steel, yeah.
Wow.
Somebody turn the turn signal.
Oh no.
I have lockable latches. The original ones weren't.
Right.
I added air vents also.
Excuse me.
So there's the
Oh,
engine.
look at this fabrication. Oh my gosh.
It's all built on a frame that you could unbolt and take right out. It has paddle operated fans too. They have the paddle switch on the bottom. When you get over a certain speed, the fans shut off and then they turn back on when you go slower.
Now, this is a twin?
No, it's a single cylinder. One
Single
cylinder,
cylinder,
25
okay.
horsepower. Wow. They do 75 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh, that must be
On the highway,
frightening.
it's pretty radical because the roads are so bumpy.
Yeah. At least you put the dual shocks and stuff like that in there.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that gas tank looks insane. I'm glad you have that safety shut off there.
Yes.
That's a good move. Good move. Wow. Oh my gosh.
And you can see it's a little dirty because I've been running it in the dirt, but it has mag wheel in the back and mini light mag wheels in the front.
Those are from Minis?
From the Mini, yeah. Welded shut and re-drilled for
Wow.
the bolt pattern and
Yeah.
disc brakes in the front.
Oh, this is great. Carl, this is an amazing build. Absolutely demented. I love it. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. Thank you, Carl. I do appreciate it. Do you want to give a plug to your shop? If it's open, don't worry about it. Nope.
I don't have a shop. I just do this
oh,
for
okay.
a hobby.
Very good, Carl. I appreciate it. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at 2018 Dead Man's Curve Wild Hot Rod Weekend. Checking out Carl's Racing Messerschmitt. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, and UKWheelsEvents.com. I'll see you at the shows.